Good evening and thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Kevin Christopher. Nancy Cox has the night off. Governor Andy Beshear says that while there are still no known cases of the COVID-19 coronavirus in the state, it's only a matter of time before that changes. And that's why he says we should be informed and prepared. Meanwhile, state health officials have made progress in expanded testing efforts. LEX18's Mike Valenti has more in the big story at 11.
Governor Andy Beshear says this is the time to act appropriately and not react out of fear.
Every day that goes by that we don't have a case here in Kentucky is another day that we have to prepare.
The reality is, he says, we should expect a positive case of COVID-19, but the governor's confident health officials will be ready. He announced the Department for Public Health began testing for the disease this week at its state lab in Frankfurt.
What it means is we're going to be able to turn around test kits much faster than we would otherwise be able to do it.
As of this afternoon, the DPH had tested 7 people. 4 tests came back negative, and the other 3 were still pending. The department's commissioner says right now the state has the capacity to do about 800 to 1,000 tests. But as the CDC criteria evolves and commercial labs get up to speed, he hopes testing will become more widespread.
My hope, though, is that the commercial labs will soon come up online, and then people will be able to be tested for this like you are the influenza virus or other tests you see your doctor for.
The governor also took time today to remind Kentuckians about dangers to their financial health, particularly when it comes to scammers looking to capitalize on this moment and profit off people's fears.
Be wary of emails from con artists pretending to be the CDC or other public health organizations, and research organizations that are claiming to raise money for a coronavirus vaccine to help victims.
Because if there's a legitimate development on that front, the governor will be back behind this lectern to talk about it. In Frankfurt, Mike Valenti, LEX 18 News.